How to use OBS Virtual Camera on Ometv. So if you want to use the OBS Virtual Camera on your Ometv, then what you need to do is just go with search, and under search you need to search for Ometv. Once you search, go with Ometv, and once you're here, now you just need to simply minimize that, and you need to open up your OBS Virtual Camera. So once you open up your OBS Virtual Camera, what you need to do is just you can add a scene if you want to, or you can just go with your normal current scene. And in my case, I'm just recording this video, but if you want to use OBS Virtual Camera on your Ometv, then what you need to do is just click on Start Virtual Camera. Once you click on Start Virtual Camera, it will start. And once you've started, you need to simply go with your Ometv, and you just need to simply make sure that you need to go with settings, and under settings you need to search for camera and make sure that it is turned on. Make sure the camera is turned on, and after that you can go with the Ometv and start streaming. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.